Hi, my name is Mark Ledford, and I'll be presenting my logo for Blueberry Cosmetics today. So the logo that I have chosen is of a monoline type, and with this logo it depicts the basic concept of Blueberry Cosmetics, which is a blueberry. The blueberry is basically seen throughout Blueberry Cosmetics as the main ingredient in their cosmetics. Basically, they use blueberries to make up their makeup. So, with the depiction of their company and with the stylescapes that I made, I have came up with this design, which is of a blueberry. Just a simple, small design, which can be put on any product, fast and simple. It's just something small and sketched out. As you can tell the difference between the two logos, I would go with the one on the right, personally, the black one. It just gives off more of a natural vibe to it, mainly because you can see the outline of the leaf hitting the blueberry, while on the left you can't. You just see it sticking out like a stem. Well, it is a stem. The little mark in the middle is, I guess you can consider it a little mark, or it's just to add in detail towards the blueberry. Not too much detail, but the smallest detail. And I was thinking maybe a little bit more we can move that a little bit more to the right maybe, but I decided to keep it in the center to give it a more of a, that's the first thing they see, and then they see the big picture. I believe that this logo will be best for Blueberry Cosmetics because it's just a small, simple logo that can be put on anything. You can change the colors up, or you can just leave it at that. I used Adobe Illustrator, the 2021 version, to create this logo. It really did help a lot using Illustrator rather than Photoshop. I tried using Photoshop, but the product that was in my mind, it came out way differently than anticipated, so I switched over to Illustrator, and this is the final product that I received. I didn't really use any typography within this project. I did use elements in this project. As you can tell, I used also a lot of shapes. I used the star shape in order to create the little stretch mark in the middle of the logo. I used the cylinder shape for the rest of it. While I also used the line segment tool to create the little marks inside the leaf. All in all, I believe that this logo is a really good logo due to the fact that it represents Blueberry Cosmetics in such great detail, but also not that much detail. It's something small that can become something big in the future. I used a lot of elements as in colors, shapes, and everything inside this project, so that also added in a lot to it. With this project, I used a lot of pizzazz for everything. I used an RGB type format for this profile. With the way the two logos look next to each other, it looks like repetition / symmetric. And basically, it's making it look like I just turned one into another. But with my thumbnail sketches that I drew for this logo, I created a bunch of different types. I created about 50 to 60, and this thumbnail sketch was somewhat similar to this one, and I decided it would be the best one to base this one off of. This is my Blueberry Cosmetics logo. It's a blueberry with a lot of detail put into the stress marks and into the leaf. And my name is Mark, and I hope you have a good day.